Hi, welcome to Cooking in Quarantine. Katie has a stomach ache for some reason, unrelated to our cooking, so I'm gonna be all alone today doing my own filming. That also means I'm alone to eat. So what do I like to do when I'm just gonna feed myself? I like to do meals ready to heat. Right here I have Balanced Chef. It's like leftovers that your mom made, except that a chef made it and I bought it from them. Let me show you what you do with this. Come with me. This is a microwave. This is a Tupperware thingy. You rip the corner like this when placing your meal ready to heat into this thing, microwave. It's important to get it in the exact center of the microwave, which you can see is denoted by the little Triforce of power. We can just rely on, our gumption and just throw it in there. But I like to double check and just make sure that it's even all the way around. Perfect. Then of course we want to make sure it's both level and plumb. And then we're ready to begin. So the instructions say 90 seconds. But I've had this before. I can tell you that I prefer doing it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. That's how time works. All right, so while that's cooking, we can talk about other things. I don't have any ideas, so I'm just gonna cut this part of the clip. We started getting these meals a couple weeks ago because we missed having leftovers from our parents because we can't go to their houses right now and just, take food from their refrigerator. So we get it delivered and it's pretty good. It keeps us fed. Because we can't always do the high level of cooking that you've come to expect on this show. Sometimes we just want food as quick as possible, as quick as 90 seconds. Boom. All right, what is the next step? Carefully remove and gently shake tray. Heat for additional 30 to 60. I'm gonna heat it for 30 because I'm very hungry. It's a lot more fun with Katie. Sometimes it's just you alone with your food that you heat in the microwave, and that's okay. Let's just slide this out of the way. And we'll open this baby up. I got pulled pork mac and cheese. Smells really good. My other favorite thing about this is that you can just eat it from the dish. No dishes. I don't have a fork though, and I'm not gonna eat it with my hands. We don't have any clean forks. That's okay. You can use a spoon. Pro tip. Mac and cheese, fine with a spoon. Delicious and nutritional. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next Cooking in Quarantine. I can't reach the camera.